Good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down, trying to go up. We're up 21, almost back to 94, 3982, 3983 area. Then you have 4,000, you have 4,021, 4,052. But the one that's moving today right back, Netflix again. Netflix trying to go, I knew this one was going to go if the market ran. So, but this 322 is hard. It may hit 322 and drop 10. But if it gets through 332, 340, very possible, can be a huge day. Let's see. Okay. NOW trying to go a little bit better, snow a little bit better. MDB looks like it wants to go to 209. Tesla's even moving. Let's see what happens. Very interesting today. So do they think that it's less bad? Now, you go look at these SPX 3900 puts. 3900 puts, they're $1.70. If this CPI is bad, if it comes in at 0.4, we're down 100 within seconds. Within seconds. Is it going to happen? I don't know. Okay? Then we see. Okay, if anybody has any questions or they want to come on here with us, let us know. We can do that. Because here's the thing. Once again, we say this all the time. When certain sets of news are coming, I can tell you all this stuff, and I'm going to give you the numbers here in a minute, but it doesn't matter because the news changes everything. So when the news changes everything, you have to adapt. Up, down, adapt. Then we see. Okay? If they start buying the techs, which has had a pretty bad time lately, NOW from last week, 432, down 55. So if it can get going, and the now news is good, 406, this thing can go to 422 really fast, and possibly 432 if they really buy. Okay? Does it happen? I don't know. But look at these huge numbers now. I mean, look at Enphase. Enphase, we had 300, 281. So it gets to 300 and moves 20 the other way, upside. So these numbers, they're hitting these resistance points, and you got this Netflix coming up here, 322, and then it takes off the other way. So just know that. That's what's happening. Huge premium to the upside already. Very interesting. The 400s are 13. I mean, there were 7. They're 13. So he's doubled them on a 20-point move. But he knows that if the number is low, you got 450. So all of a sudden those 400s go to $50, right? In the money. Do we get the Christmas rally? I don't know. Then we see. Okay? Very, very, very interesting day set up today. But so things you should know. Okay? It appears that lots of these things, when they come out, they tell you stuff like coin. Our revenue this year will be 50% lower. People are looking at it like, oh, this is the bottom, instead of looking at it like, wow, this company's really doing bad, right? So just be aware that that's how they're looking at it, okay? But today's going to be a tell. And obviously today, you got the PPI. Monday, you got a rebalance. You got the start of roll week, SPX roll week. And you always have one bad day in SPX roll week. Every single time you have one bad day. Why? Because what is the SPX roll? So people that have SPXs and they bought the three-month SPXs, right? They expire. So they have to sell those. You have to sell them. Not only you can let them roll off, but you have to sell them. So most people sell them, and then they go buy the next one. So when they all sell them, if they're all selling them one day, then all of a sudden you got a ton of sellers, and it goes lower, and then they go back up. Happens all the time. Okay? So just know that. Tuesday, I believe, is CPI, and Wednesday is Powell. I think everybody knows 50 is coming. But here's the thing. If he were to do 25 this time, I think you're at 4,300. That's a massive rally you would get if he did 25. Now, does he want to do that? I don't know. But it's possible. Anything is possible. But it's possible he does 75 too. If this PPI comes in at 0.4 and then CPI comes in, say, at 1, he would absolutely do 75 again and say 75 again after that. So just be aware. Anything is possible either way. Either way. Okay? Chips, huge day yesterday. Huge day. NVIDIA, very strong, continues to move today. How about those? If you bought those 165s with us on that fake news, you bought those with us, and they went down immediately. They went down $1. Now they're $8. Interesting, right? Very, very interesting. Very strong. Avago earnings, not bad at all. Looks like 551, 572 on Avago. So chips continue to move. But Lam Research, not up that much. Then we see. Okay? But today, if the news is good, you got some things that can really run. This Now and Netflix and MDB, they can all really, really run. Okay? Now, if it's bad, you got to believe Tesla is going to cave. Massive. Okay? Because the sentiment in Tesla is just bad. It's just bad. Okay? And then we see. Okay. So that's what we know. Okay, let's get started. Okay, good morning, everybody. 12-9. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Huge day. PPI day. We're up 20 into it. But we're up more than that because we went way down to almost 3,900 and popped back up again. And now you're back near 4,000. And do we get a good number? Possible. Let's see. Okay? You're going to know right in 30 minutes. Okay? SPX 40.21, 40.42, 40.50, 40.81. Upside, downside, 39.52, big number, 39.30, a big number, 3900, a huge number. Okay? Avago 561, 569, underneath 531. NVIDIA 176, 181, underneath 169, 162. Coin 46.49, underneath 39. Goldman Sachs 372, 381, underneath 351. AutoZone, watching AutoZone here. This 25.21, very interesting number. If it gets through there, can make a run all the way to 2,600. Meta, 113, 109, 121 up. Apple, watch Apple. Tried to break yesterday, couldn't break, came back. Okay, 141, 138, 148 up. Lam Research, 161, 172. Microsoft, 151, 146. Snowman, 146, 151, downside 136. It's in no man's land. Netflix, 322, 326. Don't know why Netflix ups a lot, but there it is. Wells Fargo raises it to 400. Very nice. That would be nice. Let's see. CrowdStrike, 116, 121, 109. Boeing, 188, 188, 188. That's all you got to know, 188. It may hit 188 and drop 10, or it may hit 188 and go to 196. NOW, 406, 406, 416, 422. Then you have the double beast number, 426, 432. Very hard. If and when this is over 432, it's going to move 50. MDB, 201, 209. Tesla, 181 up, 166 down. Deere, 444, 448. Amazon, 97 down, 93 up. Google, 96, 101 up, 91 down. Moderna, 191 up, 172 down. Enphase, 300 is the downside number, 336 is the upside number. That's what we got, that's what we got, that's what we got. Okay? 0.2, they're looking for 0.2 in the PPI. Okay, so 0.2, you times it by 12, you get 2.4% inflation. Okay, if it comes in at 0.3, they won't like it. If it comes in at 0.4, we will be down 100 pretty fast. If it comes in at 0.2 or 0.1, even if it comes in flat, you probably run. That's what we know, that's what we know. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.